guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So today we'll be discussing if else conditions in Go language, right? So till now you guys must be familiar with what is package, what is like import FMT, and how we can import different packages from Golang. Then this is a main function. You must be aware of that also. Uh, right. So today is a different topic. It is if and else loop. Sorry, if and else condition. Basically, it is very much useful in the programming languages. If you are familiar with the programming languages, then you must be aware of all these things. But if you are not and you are a newbie, then definitely if and else is nothing but it's a condition. Like if you want to do this or you want to do this is a condition. So here also in Golang it is similar to many other languages. Like if we write like this, if uh, let's say uh, let's say we have a value which is let's say x, and okay, x, and let's say I am saying x is true. Okay, so if x equals to true, then print hello, right? Let's not go with the Chinese language. Else else print hi. Okay, so because it was a true, it printed hello, and now it is a false, it should print hi, right? So this is how if and else condition work here in Go language. It is, you might be aware if you are you have a previous knowledge of other languages, you must be aware of that. Here you can, just like Python, you can do it like this also. If x, which means it is already taking a true condition, right? If x is true, so right now x is false, so it is printing hi. Yeah, so now it is printing hello. So now you have understood, right? Let's say this is not a print statement. Let's say we are just trying to initialize something. We can here we can initialize a data here directly, and we can compare that data. If x is less than 9, so x is less than 9, print this, else print this. So right now just pause this video and tell us, check from yourself, like what should be the output. Is it should be a hello or a hi? For a experienced person it will be very easy, but a newbie it will be very a little bit confusing. So it will print hi because x is 10. 10 is less than 9, no, right? That's why it printed hi. Let's say if I do it like this, if x is greater than 9, so it printed hello. So guys, this is all about if and else condition. Hope you like the video, and hope you're enjoying the series and you're learning with the series. And also you must be doing exercises from exercism.com. And do comment, and you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. I'll be very much motivated with that. And thank you. Bye.